Hello my people, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing great. I hope that you guys are continuing to stay safe. I know I haven't posted a video in a couple of days, but I'm coming back with them. Don't worry, you'll be getting some more. It's just been a little crazy for me. I hope that you guys have been enjoying my videos. Please continue to share my videos, like my videos. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot and it means a lot to me. It pushes me to keep going and to continue doing what I'm doing. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, it's my neutral kind of go-to look, then keep watching. All right, see you soon. Also, the lip that I'm wearing right now is different from the one that I was doing in the video. The one in the video seemed a little too light for me, so I decided to try and switch it up and go a little bit darker, but not too much. I wanted to try and stay in the neutral, the natural look today. So please continue to watch and I'll show you how I got this look. So before I started my makeup, I moisturized with my Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacial water cream. And then I used my Maybelline Master Prime Primer number 400. This one is pore minimizing and it blurs your pores. So I put that all over my T-zone. And then I went in with my Pearlessence Priming Oil, Rose and Apricot scented. Put a couple of dots on my hand and then I rubbed it all over my face and patted down. Going into foundation, I used my Maybelline FitMe foundations, number 330 Toffee and number 312 Golden. I mixed them on the back of my hand and applied them to my face using my BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac Set number 2 flat foundation brush. And then I went over that with my Hank & Henry Beauty Sponge. Now going into concealer, I'm using my Pretty Vulgar concealer number 63, the middle ground, and applying that under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and blending it out with a Hank & Henry Beauty Sponge. After I blended that out, I thought that it was a little too light still, so I added a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer number 10 light and did the same exact thing. I did my brows off camera. I used my Kokie brow pomade number B0815 medium brunette and a BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance brush number 14, the angled eyebrow brush. And then I used my Pretty Vulgar concealer to clean up and my Brow Bar brow gel to keep my eyebrow hairs down. Now I'm using my Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. I'm taking that on a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 1 round powder brush. I'm going to patch that all over my face and then very lightly blend it out. So my camera didn't record my contour process, but I used my Maybelline City Bronzer number 300 And I put that on a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 4 angled contour brush. And then I used my BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance number 1 bronzer brush to contour and bronze my face. Moving on to blush, I used my Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. And I took it on a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 3 blush brush. I applied that to the apples of my cheeks, blending it into my contour and up towards the tops of my ears. I forgot to contour my nose, so I went back in with my Maybelline City Bronzer on a BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance number 10 flat shader brush, contoured my nose, and blended it out with a number 9 angled flat shader brush from that same set. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm taking my Morphe Eyelid Primer Translucent, applying that onto my eyelids with my finger. And then I'm going into my Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes Artistry palette. I'm going to take the color Go Nude on a BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance number 8 fluffy shader brush and apply that all over my lids as my transition shade. Then next I'm going into the color Vixen on a BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance number 7 dense crease brush and putting that into my crease. And then I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 7 blending brush and blend that out. Now I'm going in with the color Scandal on a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 9 flat shader brush and applying that to the lid right underneath the crease. Next, I'm going to take the color Spice on a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 10 fluffy shader brush and apply that to the outer half of my eye. And then I'm going to take a number 6 angled shader brush from that same set. Put that on the outer half of my eye to deepen that color. and then a number 8 small blending brush to blend it all out. I'm going back into the color Vixen and putting it on a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 11 flat smudge brush and applying that to my lower lash line. I'm going into the color French Kiss on a BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac number 10 fluffy shader brush, applying that to the inner half of my eye. And a BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance number 5 blending crease brush and blending it out. I'm going back into the color French Kiss on a number 12 pencil brush. I'm going to apply that to the inner corners of my eye. And finally, taking the color Knockout on a number 12 pencil brush and putting that on my brow bone. Going in with a number 6 blending brush and blending it out. For eyeliner, I took my Hollywood and Vine Kohl liner in the shade 101 Black and applied that to my waterline. And off camera, I did my winged liner with my Maybelline Eye Studio liner in the shade Charcoal and a Moda Pro BMX 498 liner brush. Next, I curled my lashes and applied my mascara. I used my Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo in the shade Clout. For highlighter, I took my Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter in the shade 126 Glow Up on a BH Cosmetics number 5 round setting brush. And for lips, I'm using my MAC lipstick in the shade 204 Creme de Nude. And I top that off with my Appeal holographic gloss in the shade Trendsetter. And finally, I set my face with my Pearlessence setting spray, Cocoa and Rose scented. And there you go. You have my neutrally natural makeup. This is my go-to when I'm going out if I want to be natural. And there you go. So that is how I got this look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please comment anything that you want to see next, any questions that you have. I want to do a Q&A so that you guys can get to know me a little bit about what I like to do. So just leave any questions that you have for me in the comment section and I will try to get that for you. I hope that you guys stay safe. God bless, and I will see you soon. Ciao.